Hello, welcome back to RC Nerd. This has been quite a while since I got this thing up and running, but my PC's decided to go all liberal on me, so I don't know. Right, I've got an unboxing. I've took the box out already. I'm not doing the boxing thing. Right, everybody, I got myself this. Now, the reason why I got this is I had the first one in the 1592. Same one with the old 1550 mechanisms in. So now I've got higher torque and the same ones that are in the 1580. So we all know the hydraulic ones come out now and it's better. But the reason why I got this is because it's going on becoming a mining thing I'm doing. So I like mining and I like, I like real machines. Don't get me wrong, like little excavators, but I prefer the big ones. So let's take this off here. I got this from Model Sports UK, and I got it because this may probably be the last one I ever buy, so the truth. Been doing this for a while. See, it's a 1593, and there it is, straight out of the box. Not been out today. I've been. So let's see which is metal. Plastic. This got a lovely metallic green. I don't think I'll be doing anything to this except re-decaling it. Also, if I'm correct, this here is the same length as the 1580, so I'll have to do some investigating on that. You get the controller, which is, everybody will say that's Lee's colour. It's my colour, and we'll get that going later. I'm going to do a little test rub. It feels really nice. It's like the same quality as the 1580, so that's good news. So we get these batteries, which, I tell you the truth, I had a lot of trouble with these. I've had to swap them out and put lipos in. They just don't work. They'll last a couple of, I had an hour out of it and then they just wouldn't charge. But you get, if you can see that, but it's supposed to be 1500 milliamp, but it doesn't say there. Wait a minute, 1200, so it's gone down 300. Certain dozy shocks. There's actually a bit of weight in this one, which is, believe it or not, no instruction manual. Let's have a look at it. These, when I purchased the last one, the same problem persisted here. See how the plastics are so weak. I'm gonna have to do a bit of, put a little bit of glue, but if you look carefully, these are what you call screwdrives. Some people call them something else. I know what they are, screwdrives. And literally, it just feels better. I've noticed the thing there for doing the. I've got an idea for. I'm going to put a beacon on it, and it's a much better quality. The whole plastic, the plastic on the 1592 is even better, but this is better again. So a bit of less work to do on here, a bit of fiddling up. If I was to be realistic, it's got the cutout points here. It's got the it's got the cutouts there. It apparently only does 680 degrees, so I'll be doing what I did with my other conversion. I'll be putting a 360 link in it. I haven't really bought the batteries yet, so I'll take this off, see what's going on. But I hope everybody had a good Christmas. I know I've been off the radar for a bit, but health permitting and all that rubbish. Let's have a look at the old 3 AA's. They're really nice, that, I mean, really nice. I don't know if this will be charged, but let's go. See if we can get it alive, just to show the viewers. Dun dun dun. it's missing stuff like the whatchamacallit. I don't see, it's on at the moment, it's just flashing that blue and red. Why? I better just put lights on, but that's what this is having. It will be having lights anyway, so get some cheap batteries. Nothing spectacular. Somebody's probably need a charge. And 1, 2, 3. That back on there. Turn that on. There we go. Right, that's definitely need a battery charge on it. So, literally, got an idea. Has that got a hole underneath? Yes, it has. That means I can have a drill. I wonder if that's rigged though. Should be. So, everything works. Just needs a good charge. So, more on that later, wait a minute. Better go. Always put your bucket down, health and safety. Oh, power in that. Feels a lot better. Feels heavier. It doesn't feel as light as the other one. It's got a bit of weight in it now. But I'll still do the undercarriage and check that out. But for now, there she is, and she'll be going with a mining truck. That's how it works. More soon. Nothing spectacular, nothing planned for the future because of the lockdowns and people having mask debates of a pandemic. But there you go. But I'll be back soon with some updates on this. I'll be doing the conversion so it can spin. So it only does 680, which I don't know why they haven't sorted that out yet. And then we'll have a look inside and we'll do a strip down. But everything else is staying as it is. The bucket on this is a bit more wider, which is good. Anyway, take care. God bless.